Hey, Izzy again, and the moment we've been waiting for, the 18-400 Ultra Zoom from Tamron. Going to do an unboxing and an overview. Stay tuned. All right, so let's take a look and see what comes with the Tamron 18-400 VC HLD lens for Nikon. Now, of course, the first thing you're finding is the warranty card information and instructional pamphlet from Tamron. Remember, this is a Tamron USA product, so it does have a 6-year manufacturer's warranty in the US, and if it's purchased from an authorized dealer like Digital Goja. But I know we're all interested in what's in here, so let's take a look at that. Notice how well it's packaged, and Tamron wants to make sure you get this beautiful piece of equipment in one piece. And again, nice packaging. And notice how it comes with its own proprietary lens hood, which is fully reversible. So this tulip hood is going to give you some great protection. And there it is. Now let's take a look at the features of this incredible Ultra Zoom. All right, so here we have the really special Ultra Zoom from Tamron. This is their 18-400 3563 Di2 VC HLD lens for Nikon. Mouthful, but guess what? It's a compact lens. You have from a nice wide angle to a 400mm, all in a compact package for your favorite DX SLR from Nikon. It gives you, of course, the aperture range from 3.5, and you can stop down all the way to f40 if you choose to. The beauty of it is it has 3 LD and 3 aspherical elements, so you're going to get incredible image quality. Plus, you have their newest in focusing systems, the HLD Autofocus Motor, so that means it's going to work perfectly whether you're doing stills or video, and again, a small compact package. I just can't stop saying that because to be able to have something with this vast range in this size is unheard of. Of course, it's fully dust proof and weather sealed, so its moisture resistant construction can allow you to shoot in any kind of environment. And the vibration compensation that it has on here is bar none, of course, some of the best in the industry. That's what Tamron is renowned for. This is almost 3 stops of stabilization. So that means when you put it on your favorite camera, here I happen to have one of their smaller D3200s, you now have also the electronic diaphragm system that has become so popular for the newer cameras that are on the market from the Nikon lineup. And you have the rounded 7-blade diaphragm, so you're going to have the capability of doing beautiful bokeh. And of course, the added benefit of that new tap-in console capability because of the SP lineup. Again, for you Nikon users that are shooting with D3400s and D5300s, this new Tamron Ultra Zoom is a fantastic lens to work with because it saves you a lot of time and hassle of having to carry extra equipment and again, swapping lenses out. So as always, if the video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button underneath. And as always, subscribe to the channel for future unboxings, sneak peeks, and frequently asked questions. And if you're in the Miami area and you're visiting, you can come visit us at the Digital Goja showroom. Happy shooting.